So you'd like to connect your Jira application directly into your Cloudy. The process actually is not that hard. So to get started, the first thing I wanted to do is to open my actual Cloudy, and directly inside here what I wanted to do is to get started with an actual new chat. So the first thing is to, or maybe the second thing is to open your Jira project. So inside your Jira product, what you wanted to do, of course, is to always have opened your actual element, which in this case I will be signing in really easily. If it doesn't, I want to try to do this with another account just to make this much more faster. Now something else that I must do is to always have my Jira signed in, and to always have opened my first, in this case, the space I will be working on. So as you can see, we actually generated this with the Cloudy, but we will be doing this today once again for you. So we have, for example, the one that says my design team. I will be going directly here into Cloudy. I will be closing these elements, and I will tell him to make the actual connection really fast. So let's say, let's work with my Jira software, or in this case, project. Add 5 tasks with due dates before July 10th, for example, and name them like stuff 1 and on. When I send this, it will be telling you, of course, that they don't know anything about the actual Jira project. So sometimes it will be incentivizing you to search for the actual connector and generate that for you. So what you need to do is just to wait till the actual Cloudy found the actual connector of the Cloudy for you. So what I just needed to do is to select the element that says connector that could help, which is the installation robot, the one that we're actually looking for, and hit for the element that says connect. When I choose for this, what's going to happen is it will be sending me directly into the authorization section of the installation. So what I choose, authorize access for, I wanted to make sure that I have opened the actual access here, which in my case is this one. I select it, here are the permissions, and I go for the element that says accept. Now that I hit that element, I go for connect, and just like that, it will be telling the actual element that says connected. So I choose the element that says used, and since I already sent the actual prompt of what I'm actually looking for, it's going to ask once again to use the actual list resources and to, of course, do that element for me. So just wait till the actual connection to work for you, and you're actually good to go. Now, just in case this actually didn't work for you, if you already have the actual application of the Cloudy, I can strongly suggest you to close the application after you make the actual connection and try it once again. Open it once again, so the actual connection between the Jira and your actual, in this case, the Cloudy has now been successfully done. So as you can see, it will be having a few elements here. You can still try creating the actual issue. So let's go for try it again. Sometimes it will be asking you for an actual project key, which in my case is actually this one. So when you select that element, it will be asking you for once again making the actual connection, and you're actually good to go. The last thing you will be doing here is just to make sure that the actual remaining items has now been correctly added directly into your actual project. So you can go directly into the space team design, and you can see how the actual element has now been correctly created inside here. So you can start working out directly straight away from Jira directly into Cloudy. So this is a very easily solution of how you can actually make the actual connection and start right away. If you have guys any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.